Hindi nabawasan, kumapal pa.
O alam mo na yan.
Alam mo na.
Yumi, sigaw-sigaw na yan.
Hindi, Yumi, alam mo kasi, ang sinuwerte ka lang talaga because nung honest kami ni Ai, talagang nung umiyak na yung bata, si John Neal, diba? Talagang natinginan kami na anong gagawin natin. Kasi nanay kami eh. And yung and he had talaga more votes than you from the texting. And yung talaga, it was really such a difficult decision. But FMG talked to us. Tapos sinabihan kami ni boss na he's young.
May next year pa, may 2 years from now.
And especially because at this stage of his life, he has a really good voice and all, pero nagbabago yung boses niyan. Sabi niya, 3 years from now, pabalikin natin. Kasi it's steady na. Tapos,
Lalaki ba yan?
Yes, kami ni Ai, kaya namin sinabi si unanimous. Sabi ko, friendships based on ano na lang to talaga, performance talaga. Eh, medyo siguro dahil nga he's young, sumabit ng konti, nervyos, nakalimutan yung lyrics, tapos ikaw naman, parang sinaniban talaga. So talaga nung after you sang, tinignan kami ni FMG na, so kami dalawa, okay.
Ayan na.
Alam nyo na. So kung sino talaga yung namibabaw na talent dyan, regardless of, kaya nga itong mga to, si Silent Overload, the reason talaga na nag-overwhelming number 1 is you had the talent, but with that talent came the inspiration. At parang pinakita nyo na hindi kailangan funded ka, hindi kailangan sobrang yaman mo. You just have to be really creative.
Then hopefully kayo yung una na manalo sa PGT na hindi singer.
Hindi, also, kay Yumi naman kasi, I have to ask that. You know that there's a craving or there's a desire na hindi singer ang manalo. So alam mo na uphill climbing sa'yo. Anong gagawin mo?
Actually, may mga talents pa po ako. Talents talaga, witness.
Wow.
Na hindi pa po napapakita. So, abangan na lang po
Galing
nila.
Ayan, very good. O kaya tuturuan kita. High note, matatanggal yung braces mo. Sure winner ka nun. On fire! Isa matatanggal yung braces. Tapos, paglaglag yung braces mo sa side magpo-form PGT. Na gano'n.
Oh, taray!
Sure winner ka niyan.
You have shows coming up?